Let's find which date in our sample had the most passengers. We import Pandas and create a slightly larger sample data frame. Import Pandas as PD. Sample_data equals year 1949, 1949, 1949, 1950, 1950, 1950. Month, January, February, March, January, February, March. Passengers, 112, 118, 132, 115, 120, 135. df equals PD data frame, sample_data. We combine year and month, convert to datetime, and get weekday names. df date_str equals df year, .astype, str, plus dash plus df, month, .astype, str. df date equals pd to _datetime, df date_str, format equals %y %b. df weekday_name equals df date.dtday_name. Running the cell now. This output highlights the row with the highest number of passengers, showing the date as March 1, 1950, an account of 135 passengers. Notice how the code converts separate year and month columns into a proper date-time format, enabling time-based analysis and extraction of weekday names. This demonstrates how to identify key entries in time series data by combining and manipulating columns effectively. Try this with your own data. Which date was the busiest? Now, let's see which day of the week had the most total passengers. We group the data by weekday name, sum the passengers, and sort from highest to lowest. Weekday_totals equals df.groupb, weekday_name, passengers.sum, .sort_values, ascending equals false. Running the cell now. This output shows the total number of passengers grouped by each weekday, sorted from highest to lowest. Notice that Wednesday and Tuesday have the highest passenger counts, indicating busier travel days midweek. This demonstrates how grouping and sorting data can help identify trends and key patterns within a dataset. Want to see only weekend flights? Let's filter for Saturdays and Sundays. We filter the data frame for rows where the weekday is Saturday or Sunday. Weekends equals df, weekday_name, .isin, Saturday, Sunday. Running the cell now. This output shows a filtered data frame containing only rows where this weekday_name is either Saturday or Sunday, highlighting weekend data points. Notice the selected rows correspond to weekends with their full date details and passenger counts, demonstrating how to isolate and analyze specific subsets of data based on categorical conditions.